there, it's Jessie. I'm so glad that you found this video because it means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils, and I'm excited to be that person for you. I just love teaching people and educating people how to use essential oils, how to use them in your home. I'm filming this video from my youngest two's bedroom because I'm looking through their oils. I'm like, what oils do we use on them regularly? And so that's what this video is about. I want to show you a roller ball that all of my kids have really enjoyed. And we're going to talk about that. And then if you have questions, please reach out. My contact info is in the show notes below this video. If you're ready to buy some oils of your own and you aren't working with someone else, I would love to be that person for you and hook you up some freebies, discounted pricing, all the fun stuff, okay? What I want to teach you about in this video is a growing pains roller. So those aches and pains that especially kids, they experience, but even as adults, we have aches and pains. Right? I mean, I know that I'm not alone in saying that. I have aches and pains. And so this roller ball that I'm going to share with you, this recipe you could use for adults as well, but it's in my kids' room. I think of my kids when I use this, but it can also be used for adults. So this growing pains roller, and as I grabbed it out of my kids' oil stash, I realized it's so well used. The roller ball doesn't even stick it anymore. And so I need to get them a new roller. But this green lid is a very special green lid. It has been around since my oldest son was a kid. This was the green roller that he had, and he knew he couldn't read yet, but he knew that he could go to his oil stash and find the one with this lid right here, and he could roll it where it hurt, and it would help him feel better. I mean, talk about empowering as a mom. I remember the first time I did it, I watched, I was like, oh my goodness, because he'd seen me roll it on like when he was hurting, and then he just learned over time that the green lid was the one that helped when he was having aches and pains in his body, and it was such a powerful moment. So this is a roller ball that you want to have. So, and even my labeling has rubbed off on this. This is just like, I'm super being real here with you, but I know the green roller, it's the one for aches and pains. So what I like to put in this roller is deep blue essential oil, the blend, not the deep blue rub. I like to use a deep blue oil, aroma touch, and birch. Okay, so all three of those oils, get those in front of you. And then I want you to put 10 drops of the deep blue oil, about 5 drops of the Aroma Touch blend, and then 5 drops of birch. Then fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. I like to use a pump with my fractionated coconut oil. Then you can stick it down. Let's just take that off. So you can just stick it down in there. And then you want to pump it up after you put in those drops of oil. Make sure you don't overfill it. And then once it's all filled, and we're going to pretend, because see it's stuck in there. So imagine that the roller ball is all on, and then I just like to swirl it like this. I don't shake it. And then you just need to put it where it hurts and teach your kids to do this and just watch your kids feel empowered. It's just the best feeling. Such a great feeling. So again, that recipe, I'm going to share it with you one more time. If you have questions, please reach out. My contact info is in the show notes below this video. I have my email there. I have my phone number. Send a message. I'm happy to help. But it's 10 drops of deep blue oil, 5 drops of Aroma Touch, and 5 drops of birch, and then the rest of the fractionated coconut oil. And you can play around with the quantities. Remember, I mean, if you were to add that up, it's 20 drops right there. But if you want to make it a little stronger, because it'll get a little more tingly, you can always add more drops. You can always do that. But start with that and then go from there. And sometimes people ask, like, well, Jessie, I don't have birch. I only have Aroma Touch. I only have deep blue. Start with what you have. Make a roller, start using it, and then start growing your oil stash. Then whenever you place another order, you can buy that bottle of birch. You can buy a bottle of Aroma Touch, and then you can always pop that lid off and add some more drops in there. It's really cool. It's super easy. It's not complicated at all. If you have any questions, reach out. If you're ready to purchase your doTERRA essential oils and you're not yet working with anyone, I would love to be your oil mentor and walk alongside you as you begin your oil journey. I'm here to help. I love helping people with oils, and YouTube has been a really fun way for me to educate people while I get to be home with my kids, and I can do this from afar, from living far in the country, and I get to help you. But if you are ready to get your oils and you want to work more one-on-one, we can do that too. Okay? So reach out. I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.